Hi, this is Daniel with Pro Dispatch. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Jemry with Integrity Express. I'm calling you about a posted reefer out of Jacksonville, Florida. Is it still available?
Jacksonville. Yeah, hi, thanks for calling. Yes, it's still available. What do you have?
I got a load picking up in Jacksonville today at 2 p.m., delivering in Miami, Florida tomorrow 9 a.m. It is a load of fresh tomatoes on pallets that 8,000 pounds, that 8 degrees on the reefer is needed. You are interested?
Okay, what was the weight? How much did you say?
That 8,000 pounds, sir.
Okay, let me calculate 1 second. Jacksonville to Miami. Okay, yeah, we can do this for $1,750, sir.
When is your truck available, sir?
Ready to go anytime in Jacksonville.
Okay, I can't do it at 1,750. I usually do this for 12,000, but I can meet you with a $13,000.
$1,300, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love to, man, but you know, it's holiday season. My driver will not leave home unless the rate is decent. I can get him to do it for $1,650 if you can make it work.
Okay, I can go up to $1,400, sir, but it is my max, sir.
Yeah, you know, I already had an offer at $1,400 and he didn't agree to it. Let's meet at 15 and we can have a deal.
1,500? Okay, let's do it. Are we set up?
Yeah, yes, sir, we're set up. Let me give you my email address.